windy here, so I don't know if you can hear me or not, but it's starting to rain, so this should get interesting. Hey guys, this week we're going to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. So come on, let's get going. Beautiful morning in Myrtle Beach. I ended up not filming much after yesterday because we went to Charleston to see our family, but today we're back in Myrtle Beach. We're gonna go explore some more, so let's see where the day takes us. Today we're playing mini golf at the Jungle Safari. So my mom ended up winning mini golf, but while we were out, we went to Beach Beach and we ended up getting a skimboard, which I'm super excited about trying out. So hopefully I learn how to skimboard this week, but probably it won't go so well. Let's see. So I'm gonna brave the weather. We're gonna go out to the beach and look for some shirts. Back at mini golf, hoping I don't lose this time. Eric, watch out for the gators. Another day at the beach in the rain.
Wow.
How pretty. Yeah, isn't it cute? It's fake. It's just actually a shell.
Wow.
Just a little bit.
A little bit.
Unfortunately, it's time for us to check out here at Myrtle Beach, but hopefully one day we'll be back because I do really like this beach. Just a 12-hour ride home and then we'll be gone. Bye, Myrtle Beach.